100% cotton. Imported. 12-pack of cotton washcloths for use on face, body and more. Made of soft, durable, absorbent cotton for lasting quality and comfort. Designed with a classic and simple pique border. Fade-resistant color. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Dimensions: 12 by 12 inches each. These cotton towels and washcloths offer the perfect combination of softness and strength. Available in multiple sizes and colors. Fade-resistant and durable, these towels are lightweight, quick-drying, and feature reinforced edges to prevent unraveling. Made of 100% spun cotton, the towels feature a looped terry weave for enhanced absorption and moisture retention. Machine washable, these durable cotton towels stand up to daily use and frequent laundering. Top reviews from the United States. They don't fall apart. I hate how my washcloths always fall apart and get stringy after just a few washes, but these babies last. No more strings in the wash or towels falling apart before the year is up. I'll be getting more of these soon.